Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Logic Medico. Today's interesting topic is cranial nerve mnemonics. The mnemonic for the cranial nerve is OOTA, OOOTTA, OOTA, FAG, 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 VA, VAH, VA. OOTA in South Indian language means food, that is in Kannada. FAG in slang English means to smoke. And va, it just means va. After having a huge food and the person smoking, they will just tell va, like that. So there are 12 pair of cranial nerves in our body. The first cranial nerve, we have only one nose, so olfactory nerve. So how to remember? Nose is one, the first cranial nerve belongs to the nose, olfactory nerve. We have two eyes for vision, so the nerve of the eyeball or the nerve of the vision is optic nerve. So these eyeballs have to move with the help of muscles. So that movement is by the third cranial nerve, oculomotor nerve. Majority of the muscles are supplied by oculomotor nerve except SO4 LR6. SO means superior oblique, supplied by trochlear nerve. LR means lateral rectus, supplied by abducens nerve. So the third, fourth and the sixth cranial nerve supplies the extraocular muscles. The fifth cranial nerve is trigeminal nerve. So how to remember trigeminal is fifth cranial nerve? So trigeminal nerve has got three divisions: ophthalmic, maxillary, mandibular. So they supply the sensory nerve of the face. So fifth cranial nerve is trigeminal nerve. Already we finished abducens. Most of the students get confused between abducens nerve and this accessory nerve. So how to remember? If you go in dictionary language, after A, B will come first. Okay, then this will come. After A, C will come. So the sixth cranial nerve is abducens and the 11th cranial nerve is accessory nerve. So that is very easy to remember now. So this finishes OOTA: olfactory, optic, oculomotor, trochlear, trigeminal and abducens. Finished. That is OOTA. Next, FAG, seventh cranial nerve is facial nerve. If you flip the 7, it appears like F. That's the easiest way to remember. And if you see your ear, so seventh cranial nerve is facial nerve, supplies muscles of facial expression. If you see your ear on the side of the face, it appears like, you can see it in the mirror if you want, it appears like 8. So hearing nerve is, the nerve of hearing is auditory nerve or vestibulocochlear nerve. Then if you see the ninth cranial nerve properly, and if you see the alphabet so-called G, so G appears like 9, right? So very easy. G for 9, 9 for G. Glossopharyngeal, the nerve of taste. So this is FAG, FAG. Facial, auditory and glossopharyngeal. Last but not the least is VA. VA means V for vagus nerve, A for accessory nerve and H for hypoglossal nerve. There should be no confusion in these last three: vagus, accessory and hypoglossal nerve. That is VA. So that is about the mnemonic to remember cranial nerves: OOTA, FAG and VA. Okay. Now other interesting point over here is which cranial nerve is sensory and which is motor. So the 1 to 8, you just remember one number, 1 to 8. So what is 1? Olfactory, sense of smell. 2, optic, sense of vision. 8, auditory, sense of hearing. So all this has to go towards your brain, so that is sensory. 128 you have to remember. Okay. Then 5, 7, 9, 10 is mixed. That is, it is both sensory and motor. 5, 7, 9, 6. 5, 7, 9, 10. So 5 is trigeminal, 7 is facial nerve, 9 is glossopharyngeal, 10 is vagus nerve. This is mixed nerve. It is both sensory and motor. Last but not the least is a purely motor. 3, 4, 6, 11, 12. So the remaining 3, 4, 6, 11, 12, you don't have to remember the motor because it's more in number. You remember which is purely sensory and purely, mixed. Okay. So 1 to 8 is sensory. 5, 7, 9, 10 is mixed. The remaining will be motor. So just remember sensory and mixed. So that becomes easy. Okay, hopefully this video has helped you. Thank you for watching and learning from Logic Medico. Kindly subscribe to our channel if you are new to our channel, and press the bell button for the latest notification of the videos. Kindly press the thumbs up button so that you like the video. Share this video with your family and friends. Thank you once again for learning from Logic Medico.